Hello guys, I am Himanshu from WP Township and today I will show you step by step how we can add motion effect in our website. So what does this motion effect means? So here you will see, notice when I have refreshed this home page again, so you will notice one effect like that these text and button are coming from left and the image is coming from the right. So these are the motion effect. So today we are going to learn how we can add these motion effects to our site. Please like and subscribe our channel and press the bell icon to turn on the notification for future updates. So first of all, let's go to our Elementor page builder where we have created this. So you can see like we have this section already. On the right side we have this image and on the left side we have this text and a button. So for the ease, what I will do, I have duplicate this heading and I will reduce it to make it, let me make it as a paragraph. And then here what I will do, let me copy paste. Okay, so it is like it looks like a paragraph. That is the main reason why I have added it. So I have added it as a paragraph only. So now we have a heading paragraph and I want like all these paragraph and this should come to from the left and this image should come from the right. So how we can do that one? So first of all, let's start with the image. So select this image, go to this advanced tab and here you will find this motion effects. So you have to go to this motion effect and then from this motion effect you have to set an entrance animation. So let me fade in right, I will select, and then animation duration I just want to make it fast, and then animation delay ms I will give it 100. In the same way, if you want like this these headings should come, so what I will do, I will select this heading, go to this advanced, in motion effect entrance animation I will select it fade in left so that it should come from left. Animation speed I will give it first, animation delay 200 millisecond. After that we have a paragraph text. So for this paragraph text also what I will do, again I will go to this advanced and then in motion effect entrance animation. For this one also I will select it as fade in left, and then animation duration I will give it fast, and animation delay I will select 300 millisecond. And for the button in the same way I will set it as 400 millisecond. So now I will tell you why I have set it as, for the image I have set it as 100, for this one 200, for this one 300, and for the button I am setting let me fade in left, animation speed I want to make it fast, and animation delay 400 millisecond. So why I have set this, let's view this page in our new tab. So here you can see when I am opening this page, so first this image is coming, then after 100 millisecond of delay this text is coming, then paragraph is coming, then the button is coming. That is the main reason why I have set this animation delays by 100 millisecond. So with this we have completely learned how to add motion effects in our section. Thank you so much for watching this video till now. Please like and subscribe our channel and press the bell icon to turn on the notification for future updates.